Very simple to use control buttons here. First of all, this is your power on and off button. So you basically press that to turn it off and you press it to turn it on. When you come in first thing in the morning, obviously now the machine is already full, you'll switch that on and the light will flash to tell you that it's filling up. Once it's full, it will go as it is now, the temperatures will show and reverts to cycle 2. You can then choose between cycle 1 or cycle 2, whichever you want. The light will flash again once you start the cycle. So you can see the lights flashing, which now tells you the cycle started, and it will wash and continue to flash until the cycle's finished. And what I generally say to the customer is, as long as there's a light flashing on here, then leave the machine alone, let it do what it needs to do. You've got 2 light panels here, one for the rinse temperature and one for the wash temperature. And then there's 2 lights under here, one which shows you the salt light and one as a regen light. So if this light comes on with a little salt shaker, this means that you have to fill the salt up. And this one here, if it's regenerating the softener, it just means you're going to get a slightly lengthened cycle and the softener's regenerating to keep the soft water for the machine. This button here is your drain down button. So you push that button, hold it in for 5 seconds and the machine will drain down. So again, very simple to use. Once the machine's drained down, it will rinse itself out. So it will be rinsed out. It won't be cleaned out thoroughly, but it will be rinsed out. And when the machine's finished its wash cycle, the light will then go solid. Cycle 1 is your shorter program, and cycle 2 is a longer cycle for more soiled and heavy soiled items.